What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good evening it already is. And welcome to this video in which I wanted to cover Litecoin. After a big move today, we got some bullish momentum coming into the markets. We've also seen that with Bitcoin, for example, and also a little bit, but to a lesser extent, for Ethereum. And altogether, I think most of you know that I've recently become quite a big Litecoin fan. Or not recently, for the last couple of months actually. I also bought Litecoin, I think somewhere here. I also gave out that buy, well, not signal, but that I was going to buy it in the Discord. So if you want to know more about that, go join the Discord via the link down in the description. But yeah, Litecoin, right now we've reached a top of $96, and I think we can extend that. Last analysis, to do a quick update, I would argue was fairly correct. As you can see, what I expected is that after finding resistance at $93, that we would probably drop down to 88 and consolidate on top of $86, maybe dropping down to $85, and then at some point I thought we would be able to break above $90 again, after which we would get to my price target between $96 and $98, which is where we are right now. So $96, $98 is quite a strong resistance level. It's arguably even stronger than $100. You can see that $100 is not even respected that much, even though I should probably extend this key level. But you can really see that the strongest level really is right here at around 96.5 kind of, and yeah, I guess you could argue that this is going up to $100. If you take a look at the history of Litecoin. But that really is our price target, and I think we can get there. I'm expecting more bullish momentum coming into the markets beginning of next week, so starting tomorrow and definitely going on until the end of Tuesday. Wednesday I'm not so sure, but probably not, but still. And that's mainly because, and just to give you some fundamental insights, it's mainly because of the interest rate decision coming Wednesday. Usually if we are expecting bullish news, which we are expecting because the inflation rates are dropping down, usually the market is already kind of bullish ahead of that news. So what I also expect for Litecoin is that we can actually, well, whether we do it, I mean, we've already sufficiently broken above $93. So I think we'll drop down a little bit towards $93. Could even drop down to $91. Could even drop down to $90. I don't expect that, by the way, but we're just very bullish right now. So I think we'll drop down to that, find some support there. And then from there get up to our next price target. I would still argue, even though we already touched the bottom of that key level, I would still argue it's $98 and $100. I think the psychological effects of that level are still quite major, and it's going to be tough to break through that. Obviously what we at some point want to do is break above $100 and get up to 108, which is, I definitely expect this in the next next half a year, let's say, but because of the bullish momentum, because of the halving and stuff, I do expect that we can get there at some point. But for now, my price target is still $100 and 98, because I do expect some resistance from there. But yeah, I'll keep you up to date on this if I think it's necessary to really do an update on this next week. So ahead of the interest rates, I'll do that. But apart from that, Litecoin does really follow Bitcoin quite a lot, so you could also watch my Bitcoin videos and know that the correlation between Bitcoin and Litecoin is relatively high. But yeah, that's my take on Litecoin for right now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.